your soul, tell him see you later.
I told y'all about Milk.
Mama,
I told y'all what's gonna happen with that.
223, lift them up for doing all that. Damn, we still back to back, swinging through. Wrong look, all my niggas let that chopper keep the twerking, nigga. If they let me shoot first, I bet you can't shoot.
I was pretty sure he was faking. I've seen a lot of people who was faking in my life. But some of them ain't faking. Don't understand why anyone would fake this shit. I mean, I get why some people would, but like at the same time, it's like knowing what it really be about. Like this shit pointless. This ain't nothing to glorify. Nothing to try to inspire. I tell that to people myself. Some lifestyles in life, you know, at my point in my life when I got into this shit I got into, man, I mean, it was a necessity. But it should never be nothing other than that.
Did it again.
A necessity for, you know what I'm saying, people to have your back and whatnot. But that's it, man. This shit just be crazy, bro. And he's supporting me so hard. And I really think he's going around saying you milk 7-4, all this other shit. And it's not going to somehow have anything bad. Like, I really think he's going to go around saying all type of crazy shit. And that Devin was not say the 7-4 shit. Knowing him, he gonna disregard that. He gonna walk around, disregard the fuck out of that. He's gonna still be milk 7-4, and then something gonna happen to him. I don't think they gonna kill him at first. They probably gonna beat the shit out of him or something. Like, I don't know. I just hope he got the common sense to like figure out, like, yo, that shit ain't the way. I'm out this bitch.